Okay class, so today we're going to be turning to page 86 to chapter 4.
Hey bro, I'm hungry. You got any snacks?
Yeah, right here.
Ooh, blue heat take us. Alright, let's dig in. Bussin'.
Danny and Parker, put the chips away, right now. No!
We're eating, let us be.
No! I don't care! I said to put the chips away, now.
Well, I'm still not putting it away, so what are you going to do about it, huh?
Okay, let me tell you something right now, you little smart aleck. You are not supposed to be eating in class, period. Put it away right now or I'll take it.
I'm not putting it away, you old idiot.
You son of a...